lecture I'm going to discuss about here how to find that f circle fx values, and here this is the given fx equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, and here the mapping is r tend to r, real number to real number. So this is the given. So first you are writing f of x, that is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Now here we need to calculate f and here fx. So fx value that I'm going to put, so this is now f, and here fx value is now x square minus 3x plus 2. So this is the, and now x square minus 3x plus 2 that come. Now here this x place we need to put this all. So x place here, again this is the function, so x place we need to put this all. So here this is x square, so this we can write x square minus 3x plus 2 whole square, and after that minus 3 x place we need to put that, so x square minus 3x plus 2, and 2 is the constant. So here we need to use the formula. So here a square a minus b plus c. So this is now x square and 3x whole square 2 whole square. So this is here minus that come because this is plus, this is minus. So 2 into 3x into x square, that come 3, 2 into, so first here 3, and let's write x square and here 3x, and after that this is here minus and plus, so this come minus, so this is now minus 2 into 3x into 2, and here next is 2 c into a, x square into here 2 or c into a, so this one 2 into x square. After that this here, this we can write minus 3x square, and this is now 9x, and this is here minus 6 plus 2, and here x power 4, this is 9x square, this is 4, and this is here 3 into 2 6 x cube, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 12, 12x, and this is here 4x square, 3x square, and 9x, and this is here 9x, and this is here minus 4. Now the next is this and that cancel, then after here or you can see this is here x power 4 and 9x square, so this is x square and here 9x square, so 9x square and this become x square, so 9 plus 1 10x square, and this is here minus 6x cube, and this is 12x, and here 9x, so this become here 3x. So this is the answer of these questions. So f circle fx, that is equal to x power 4, and next is minus 6x cube 10x square minus 3x. So this is the answer of these questions. So one time going to repeat, write the given, so fx value, fx put that, now x square minus 3x plus 2, so on the place of x you can put this one, and after doing the calculation then you can get to these terms. So this is the way we can find. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching, see you next video, thank you.